I just finished filming the worst subscription box that I was getting, which is Birchbox. And I figured I would follow up with doing my second video today as my favorite beauty subscription box. So we have my worst and then my best. The worst was Birchbox, which I have now canceled and I'm not redoing unless they just miraculously change my mind. But we're gonna do Glow Addict. I'm obsessed with this box. I don't see a lot of people open it. I feel like it's one of those boxes that's just kind of slept on and a lot of people don't know about. Off the top of my head, I'm gonna see if I can remember it. There's two different sizes you can get. It's either the $13.99 size, which is basically $14, and you get 4 to 6 full-size products, or there's the, I want to say it's $18.99 is the bigger size, and that's 5 to 7 full-size products. Either way, those are great prices for full-size products. Keep in mind, I just did a Birchbox video, which was 6 samples for, now they charge like $14 for that box. And like I just said, you can get $13.99 for 4 to 6 full-size products. Just throwing it out there. This is why this is my favorite and that one is my least favorite. So what I did was I let a couple of months build up so I could show you 2 different months of this box. I can't wait to get in it because I have no idea what are in these. I don't like spoilers at all. I just like to be surprised, so you'll be surprised with me. So hopefully I still feel the same way since I haven't opened the last 2 months. Hopefully it hasn't gone down in how good it is. I doubt it has, because I mean this box is amazing. And anyway, so I want to get into it, and please tell me as I'm opening it, what do you think in the comments below? Is this a box that you're like, wow, like this is like really good, and tell me what you think of the price or whatever. I just think it's amazing. So there's that. So here's the first thing. So it's in bubble wrap. Now keep in mind, and I hate comparing to Birchbox, but that's what I wanted to do today. I wanted to show you my least favorite and my favorite box, and they're about the same price. I think the one I get, let me count how many. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so I have 7 items, so I'm paying, I think it's $18.99, so $19 as opposed to the last box I was paying $14. So this is a $5 difference. Just tell me what you think, if it's worth it, the difference. So Birchbox, the best thing that was in there was like a single eyeshadow. So here's a eyeshadow. It's by Kaz Cosmetics, and the shade is Juno. All right, and this is what it looks like. Open the case, and it's like a pink color. Kind of a peachy shade. Almost, to me it looks like a blush, but anyways, that's an eyeshadow color. It's a nice size pan to give you an idea how big the pan is. Okay, so that's item number 1. Okay, the second item is by Ruby May Cosmetics, and it's Cream Concealer and Contouring Palette. So this is a whole concealer and contouring palette. So this has the 6 shades in there so you could do your color correcting. So that's really nice. I'm not going to open it up. It's in plastic. But you get an idea. So that's the size of that. Okay. The next item in here is, this is what it looks like. So it's a peel pigment, and I was gonna see if I could, yeah, the shade is Bronze, and you open it up and it's full, other than the safety part, but so it's a full product. Okay, so that was item number 3. This is number 4. So this is another single eyeshadow from that company. So Kaz Cosmetics. This color is called Ocean. That's a really pretty color. So that's what that looks like. Pop it open real quick. That's real pretty. And again, this is the size of the single shadow. That's pretty. I like that color a lot. I like this one better than the first one. Okay, so here's the next item. I'm a lash girl. I love pretty lashes, and they always come through with really pretty lashes. So look at these. These are called Zola lashes. They're premium 3D mink lashes, reusable up to 30 times with proper care. And the style is OMG, and they are very pretty. I like those. Okay. Then we got by Kaz Cosmetics again. This is Luxe Lip Treatment, and the shade is Virgo, and I'm a Virgo. Shout out to the Virgos. That's kind of cool. Not kind of, it is cool. I like that I'm going to have a shade after my zodiac sign. Okay. So open this up, and everything is packaged very well to where like it's in good shape. Nothing's dented up. Like, it looks really good. Oh, how cute. Y'all see that? So it's a lip gloss. Like, I love lip glosses anyway, but do you see the gold flecks? Isn't that what they're called? I know there's flakes, but I think they're called flecks when they're little like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Feel free in the comments, but that's freaking cute. I've never seen anything like that. That's so freaking cute. So that's Virgo. I love that. I've never seen that, guys. I know I'm just keep ranting about it, but that is so neat. I'm telling you, this box is my favorite. It's just like, I don't know, perfect. Okay, so the last thing is also by Ruby May Cosmetics, which I love Ruby May Cosmetics. I don't know how y'all feel about it, but one of my favorite palettes, my daughter Desiree actually got me from Ruby May, and it's like all glitter. Like, so every single shade of eyeshadow is like a glitter eyeshadow, and I've done like the cutest looks. So I love it. I love that Ruby May palette. So this is Ruby May Ready Set Glow Shimmer Spray. And I think it's, maybe this is the shade, I'm not sure, but 01. So you open it up, and this is a full-size bottle. And you see it's in another package, but it's real shiny. So it looks like it's a setting spray that makes you glow. Not literally glow, but you know, shine. That's pretty. Okay, so that's one box. And also, I got a cute bag in there too. So I can turn around and put all these products in the bag. And even, like, they even like put plastic on the freaking zipper part. And this is what Capri is, the bag. So that's really nice. So I got the bag. I got the setting spray, which is like the shimmer kind. I got a beautiful pair of lashes. I got pigment in the color bronze. I got 2 single eyeshadows, and they're nice sized. Okay. I got this really cool Virgo lippy. It's a really cool lip gloss with like gold flakes on it, or fleck, whatever it's called, flakes. Okay. Then I got the Ruby May Cosmetics Cream Concealer and Contouring Palette. Okay, so that was just one box, and that cost me $18.99. What do y'all think? Take the time, write in the comments. That's box one, okay? I think this box, hands down, is the best thing ever, and a steal. I almost hope that it kind of just stays our secret, like on my channel, because if too many people find out, I'm scared they're gonna raise the price, and I'm like loving that it's like my own little, I don't know. I'm sure other people open it, but I'm scared they're gonna get big and then get really expensive. And I don't want them to, because I'm so in love with this box. Okay, next, moving on. All right, so this first thing, what is this? It says Body Blends Face and Chest Mask. I've never gotten one that said chest mask. And you open it up and it's like a pink clay substance. That's cool. Oh, wow. That smells so good. That smells really good. It's with Australian pink clay. Yeah. That smells super good. That's interesting though. Have y'all ever gotten a chest mask? I've never gotten one that said chest mask. I've even seen neck. I've seen neck mask, but never chest. Apply even amount to face or chest. Leave for 15 minutes and wash off. I have to check this out. It's really cool. I like that it's this like bubblegum pink. It's really pretty. Okay, next. So here we go. They threw in some Revlon. So we got some drugstore. That's interesting. You never really see drugstore in these boxes. I don't mind drugstore because I think a lot of the times drugstore really outdoes some of these bigger brands, to be honest. But okay, so this is Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Waterproof, and I'm sure the shade is probably black. I'm assuming. Let's see. Yeah, blackest black. So that's a full-size mascara. Okay. So this is by NYX. I love NYX. Okay, so this is NYX Butter Lip Balm. And I guess the shade or flavor, whatever you want to call it for a lip balm, is macaroon. Okay, and it has a safety seal, so I'm not going to open that. All right, here's another pair of lashes. I'm telling you, this box is bomb. I love getting lashes. So here they are, another stunning pair. I like that they don't give you boring lashes. I love getting lashes that I'm like, wow, like, if I wore these, they'd be so stunning, or whoever wore them. I'm not saying, oh, girl, they'd be stunning on me. They'd be stunning on anybody, okay? But look how cute those are. So those are by Zola, and these are Iris. That's the style. And again, they're 3D mink lashes, reusable up to 30 times with proper care. Okay? Those are really cute. And they even gave me lash glue. Okay, so here's the next thing in there. So let me take it out of the plastic or the bubble wrap. It says hashtag poppin' by Jackie Love. And this is in plastic wrap, so. Okay, so here we go. Now it's out of the plastic. Kind of like a marble looking case, but it's like the cardboard. And then slide it out. Same thing, it's like that cardboard. Oh, that's cute. So if you like neon shades, so you got a pink, green, blue, and orange. It also has a mirror, and the shades are sour, sweet, tang, and raspberry. That's really cute. What do y'all think of this little palette? I think that's cute. You see how much happier I look when I open this box in Birchbox, guys? If y'all didn't watch my Birchbox video, go watch how unhappy it makes me. It just turns me into like a, you know what I mean? This one just brings me joy. I could open this box, like so many different versions of it all day long and just be like, oh, so cute, so happy, so blissful. Birchbox, I'm like, I stare at Birchbox and I watch my money burn. Like in my brain, that's what I'm doing. I'm like, you're so stupid that you paid money for that. This, I'm like, oh, take my money. You're doing so great. Okay, so here's the next thing. Here's another drugstore brand, which is interesting. And I don't mind that. So, all right, so this is L'Oreal Blend Artist Infallible. And this is a concealer blender. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's actually shaped really cool. It's different. Y'all probably can't tell. But it's kind of like half the size and width as your normal one. I don't know how to explain it, but it looks really cool. So I'm definitely going to try that. It's a very unique shape. And I need any help I can get trying to get concealer in all the cracks and crevices. Okay, so I'm on the last thing in this box. So here we go. So here's Ruby May Cosmetics. Again, I love that brand. So this is Studio Powder. Powder, not power. So Studio Powder is what it says. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this looks like another contouring set. But instead of it being the cream one that was in the other one, they gave us the powder kind. Because some people prefer the creams to do like color correcting and all that. Like you saw, it had pinks and greens in the first box. This one is actually like you can do your contours and everything. So that's really nice. That's cool. So they basically just gave you like your whole contour color correcting set within the 2 months. You got eyeshadows, you got your mascara, you got 2 sets of freaking what is it called? You got 2 sets of eyelashes that are beautiful. We've got a mask to do. I mean, there's just, I don't know, I just love this box. I can't wait till next month and the month after. It's my absolute favorite box. So, that's that. I had to share it with you guys because I'm obsessed with this box. And hopefully you understand why. If you're interested in this box and you want to sign up, I will leave a link in the description. Please do so. Like, I don't think you'll be disappointed, guys. Like, this is my all-time favorite. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. I think they do amazing. And so, anyway, till next time, guys. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. And see you in the next video.